Ever wondered what happens when cars reach the end of the road? Watch the full process, crushing, shredding, and recycling entire vehicles into raw steel. These industrial crushers don't stop at cars. They devour wood, stone, and anything thrown in. Destruction with purpose. Forklifts like this JCB trace back to 1940s England, built for war logistics. Decades later, the same lineage powers recycling yards. At Hill's Salvage, that heritage shines. Machines designed for battle now dismantle cars, turning scrap into reusable metals. It's a story of evolution, from military might to environmental guardianship. Car crushing under crawler tracks is more than spectacle. It begins recycling. Flattening cars reduces volume, easing transport and shredding. Compressed shells are later melted in steel mills, returning as beams, rebar, or frames. It shows how destruction fuels renewal, with heavy machines powering the circular economy's cycle of reuse. The twin-shaft shredder operates at 250 kilowatts, generating more than 120,000 foot-pounds of torque. With its slow-speed rotors, it safely crushes nitrogen cylinders without violent kickbacks. This machine ensures continuous operation with precise control. Recycling one car prevents nearly 1.5 tons of iron ore and 600 kilograms of coal from being mined. Multiplied by millions of vehicles worldwide, the environmental savings are enormous. This process lowers CO2 emissions, conserves water, and reduces landfill waste, directly supporting a sustainable future. Operators align logs with the in-feed chute, ensuring stable feeding. Hydraulic rollers grip and push the wood steadily, preventing jams. Once inside, knives engage under controlled torque. Proper operation guarantees consistent chip size, reduces stress on the drum, and maximizes fuel efficiency. The Tisab 800i, powered by a 440 horsepower Cat engine, drives a jaw with over 100,000 foot-pounds torque. Crushing force reaches 400 tons per cycle, engineered in Ireland for durability. Safety guards prevent rebounds, ensuring operators handle even dense concrete and rebar with consistent precision. Beyond the spectacle, caravan demolition racing reflects community spirit. Crowds gather not just for crashes, but for tradition. The event shows how engineering, physics, and entertainment merge, turning once functional vehicles into part of a shared experience. Wow, seeing the VRS 200 strip a car in minutes is unreal. Hydraulic jaws pin the chassis, claws pluck engines like toys. What used to take hours vanishes in seconds. The sheer force and precision leave jaws dropping, proving recycling machines can be breathtaking. Watching a full-size car collapse in seconds is breathtaking. Panels fold, glass shatters, and steel beams buckle effortlessly. It's not random destruction. It's engineered precision, where hydraulic systems turn relentless pressure into controlled, spectacular transformation. There's something oddly satisfying watching the python break open microwaves and fridges. Its slow, steady torque makes sure parts don't fly off dangerously. Instead, it neatly reduces bulky waste into manageable chunks, turning yesterday's clutter into tomorrow's raw material for new beginnings. Two excavators, each running 300 horsepower diesel engines with hydraulic booms delivering over 40,000 foot-pounds of force, topple the silos in controlled precision. That's not chaos. It's calculated torque, showing how raw horsepower gets turned into structural demolition efficiency. Aluminum rims melt at over 700 degrees Celsius. They aren't lost, but prepared for a new life cycle. Recycling saves up to 95% of the energy compared to producing raw aluminum and reduces harmful bauxite mining. There's something oddly satisfying watching the PR6600 crush beams into bite-sized chunks. It's like industrial ASMR, slow shafts, steady rhythm, no drama. Turning chaos into neat piles makes recycling look less like heavy work and more like a calm Saturday cleanup session. Like a cinematic storm, the top cut 800 twists and bites through concrete beams and steel bones. Its 360-degree rotation feels choreographed, jaws snapping with relentless rhythm. Every movement tells a story of raw force meeting engineered precision in modern demolition battles. Anyone who's run shredders knows consistency matters. The Wema ZMK50 delivers steady torque and balanced shafts, avoiding the nightmare of jams. German units like this are workhorses. You set them up, feed them right, and they'll run all day without complaint. Unlike single-shaft grinders that often jam, the Komar twin-shaft system interlocks blades to chew through bulkier loads. Its 200-horsepower motor delivers steady torque, making it superior in handling stubborn waste compared to lighter-duty European shredders. And as the loader drops rocks onto the grizzly, the booming sound and rising dust feel cinematic. Massive boulders are screened, leaving precise sizes for riprap and landscaping. Proof of the power and precision of modern quarry technology. Decades ago, shredding waste meant endless labor and risk. Today, Lion Shredder Evo quietly handles mountains of material with precise torque control. Japan turned a backbreaking chore into an efficient system, showing how far recycling tech has come towards sustainability. Appliances sometimes hide pressurized parts, and bowling balls can eject fragments when stressed. Operators here rely on shields, gloves, and sensors. Uni-Shear's design reduces risks, but safety gear always makes the difference between a clean cut and a dangerous surprise. Untha's rope shredder runs a 90-kilowatt motor delivering 60,000 plus foot-pounds of torque. Hardened steel cutters and controlled feed slice industrial rope without jamming. Built in Austria, its precision engineering ensures long duty cycles, while advanced safeguards minimize operator risk. Picture the camera closing in as the pipe slides inside, rotor teeth grinding slowly, suspense rising. Each crunch echoes like steel jaws. Germany's Vekoplan isn't just processing waste, it's staging a mechanical thriller where every twist feels like industrial theater. Hardin's aluminum can shredder runs a 45 kilowatt motor, generating over 30,000 foot-pounds torque. With hardened steel blades, it reduces cans into fragments within seconds, cutting volume by 90%. Efficiency like this makes recycling lines smoother and energy costs significantly lower. Decades ago, stripping cable meant hand knives, blisters, endless risk. Today, Nytec Cable X turns that hardship into automation. Watching wires glide clean reminds how technology reshaped tough jobs into efficient, safer routines. This e-waste recycling line runs a 250 kilowatt shredder, generating over 110,000 foot-pounds torque. Boards are reduced, metals separated with 98% purity, recovering gold, copper, and aluminum. Precision engineering ensures continuous duty and remarkable cost efficiency for processors. These cars once carried families, now pressed into cubes. Life cycles echo here. Strength, use, decline, and rebirth as steel for tomorrow. Recycling isn't just machinery. It's a quiet metaphor for renewal through endings. Having seen countless screens, the SBR4 stands out. Its 25 by 25 millimeters mesh delivers consistent results, and the CAT966M loader keeps it steady. That reliability matters on real construction recycling sites. This industrial scrap steel shredder can process several to tens of tons per hour. Its powerful cutting blades turn bulky steel into small, manageable pieces for recycling. It's a core technology in modern metallurgy. SH360 devours tires like candy. You expect a fight, but instead it's calm dominance, shredding steel-reinforced rubber as if nothing. That kind of raw control leaves you staring. Realizing industrial power can be graceful and terrifying at the same time. Destruction today means sustainability tomorrow. Every crush is science in motion. Support us by hitting like, subscribe, and turning on the bell. And don't forget to leave a comment about your favorite crusher.